Okay, here we are in the Prelude. We've just put a little bit of charge in, and the battery's sitting at an average of 34 degrees. So what I'm going to do is record. By the way, it's 39 degrees here in the cabin. Yes, it's a hot day. We're just going to record how the temperature drops over the course of a short drive. I'm just returning the car to Francis. So, always happens. Just ignore it. Okay, so it's 4:23, and I'm gonna go for a drive. And I'm gonna start by putting the air conditioning on. Hopefully it's a bit quieter now. Yeah, it's still pretty noisy. Alright, let's see how we go. Okay, so it's 4:43. The air conditioning is cycling on and off. It's a far more pleasant 27 degrees inside the cabin, but at least the air coming out of here is probably around about, I think it'll drop down to about 8 or 9 degrees. We've done a 17-kilometre trip and we used a fair bit of our battery. That's the air conditioner cycling on again. But critically, after a long, well, not a long drive, but a drive up the steep hill, the battery temperatures are still 33, 34, there was a 35 in there, but basically the same temperature as when we left. So I'm very happy with how the thermal management system is working. Not so happy about the noise and the power consumption of that air conditioning compressor, but I tell you what, half the range on a bloody hot day, it's pretty good. So there you go. That's the Electric Prelude's thermal management system.